Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove and add background to your videos with or without green screen. So with green screen, for instance, I have this video here and I want to remove the background. Go to the video tab first, go to cutout and select chroma key, select the color picker and adjust the strength here, and you can adjust the shadow as well. If you want to add in background from your library, move it to the second track and add your background like so. But if you want to add in a canvas, just move it to the first track. Go to basic, scroll the canvas, and you can either select color, style, or blur for it. Like so. That's with green screen. Without green screen, like this one, just simply go to cutout and select auto cutout. And you're going to do the exact same thing you did for the green screen to add in background. And that should be it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!